questionnaire to the SVG container, and after we use the event.target.id to determine which part was clicked. This is a message performance optimization, right? And huge performance optimization that interviewers want actually, because this is the contribution from your part. You can tell it. After that, the you can store the logs as a giant nested string. Okay, so this is a bad data structure, so we have to normalize the data. We are using Superbase. Okay, the logs table rows will be linked. Okay, each and everything. Okay, each row will be linking all those things: user ID, body part ID, pen level, and timestamp. So it will help generating the heat map. Okay, queries by date easier. And this is, you can take the screenshot again, what question and answer they can ask you. So these are the question and answer. Okay, what it will be asking you first, the interviewers can ask you what challenging you, why challenge you solve. So this you can tell them. Okay, according to your ease and in your own language, you can tell that we used event bubbling to capture clicks on specific parts like left shoulder, and we updated center page state object. These are the main two words, and after that you can also interactive body mapper we built that requires synchronizing visual SVG states with a form backend. Okay, the challenge was that the standard images are not interactive, but we solved that using the SVG as a React component. Okay, and after that you can tell this allowed users to click on their body parts to lock pain. Okay, instead of using boring drop downs, and which helped in improving the user experience drastically. After that, how you can handle the performance of the heat map. So you can tell that you use recharts or react calendar heat map for the visualization to prevent the each time the rendering back. Okay, after the user click the body part. Okay, so you have to memorize the chart you have memoized. Is a concept memoization, a chart object using react.memo, and you use the data transformation logic, grouping the logs by date. Okay, that ran inside a use memo hook. Okay, this is a use memo hook. Hooks are a concept in React, so that it calculated only when the raw data actually changed, and not each and every time. Okay, if raw data not changed, then no problem. After that, I told it to the crisp infrastructure, crisp framework to improve the prompt that is generated. So you can see that it was re-engineered using re-engineering was done on it, and using the crisp framework capacity role inside statement personality experiment, it just developed our prompt to give to Lovable. So in the meantime, I proceed further. I am copying this and giving to Lovable to create this web app prototyping version for me. After that, I will generate a prompt that helps us to create from full scale application and a production grade application. So my network somehow got disconnected. I'm extremely sorry for that. In the meantime, what I can do, I can tell you something about the Hercules platform. What is Hercules platform? It is a good platform, AI powered, and it is like a AI tool that can help you build some things like this. You can see the Flappy Bird game like web app, and also the Lumina AI. It helped in building in business field, and it is the games field. After that, portfolios is you can build using this. Some business you can set up. You can set up using this. Okay, and also some resumes. Okay, so this is all it can do, and much more. You can create landing page, create a website, personal website even, and also SAS app, and multiple things can be done. But the only one problem that it gives you some free credits, and after the credits gets exhausted, you have to buy them. So I can so, but before that, I am giving directly to Lovable, and I will start generating is it on Lovable. And you can see the Lovable was on Telegram. Yeah, now Telegram, in Telegram some AIs are openly integrated and available. That helps in building websites, performing automations. So there new technology is being integrated in the applications that user used on a bulk level. So after that I will ask this Gemini, okay, to just uh, re-engineer re-engineer the last prompt to make the web app, or to push the web app. We can just ask like this, not to make, we'll push the web app, to push the web app to a production grade full scale web app rather than just a micro SaaS MVP or prototype. Okay, like it can operate at industrial level in real time. So I am giving it the prompt. Okay, and see what happens. It is also a prompt, but what is I am feeding this prompt in simple English language, and it already started building. You see, the Lovable had already started building, and I'm enabling the notification so that when it completes, I get notified. Okay, that it had built. See, it is doing each and everything for us. It is first planning. Okay, and it has already started building after planning. It had planned, and after that it had started building. So it is creating the files now, implementing the features for us. And see, you can see the activity over here, what it is doing. See, it is planning data structure and hooks. Okay, it is doing each and everything for us. Okay, and we'll just have to sit and watch what it does. See, first of all, it is working less like humans, but not as pro as humans, but it is automated or fast enough our task. But one biggest problem in AI, that you have got to hear that one latest news that AI just deleted the company's data in 9 seconds. 3 months data, 3 to 4 months got data gone in 9 seconds. That done entirely using cursor AI tool, and it was controlled by Claude any AI technology, I think, and that allowed deletion because of a password issue. Instead of asking it deleted the voluminous storage that caused the companies to fail, or it caused the company a lot of trouble, and the company took much time, and it's even now in straining, and just it is struggling to restore the data of the companies because it is unable to restore all the data. Okay, it is now in a big problem due to entire trust on AI. So we have to remember that we human in the loop is always needed to be involved here. Otherwise, what we can do using AI is very good at all. But if there is no human in the loop, if AI controls all, because AI has not reached this to certain an expert and intelligence level that it can take all decisions of the companies like humans, okay, or all the decisions like humans. So we have to just monitor it, okay, or control it and see track its activity, what it's doing, and we have to use it in such a way, or give the permission in such a way so that is it asks from permission from us before implementing or committing any change to our database, right, to our files. We should not allow it. It should ask for us. It should first show what is problematic and then ask, and if I permit, then it must change. Otherwise, we must be able to give it or provide it with the option to build, okay, to sorry, not to build, but to take our input, that what we want. See, so it already made our application live. Okay, so I can see that. So we'll close this first of all. Okay. mm, okay, and you can see the preview here. You can see here, and it is suggesting any extra feature that we need to add here. I think some time will be needed. In the meantime, it is generating the new prompt for us. Okay, so it is the revised prompt. Okay, see, AI perform. It was first. It had created the prompt as a creative designer. Now it is a creating this prompt as a similar prompt, but not exactly same. It is an advanced prompt as a principal systems architect. So you have to copy this, okay, easily, and paste it into Hercules. Okay, and see what it does. We need to see what it does, but I will ask it not using Superbase but using some free authentication if it can add, and if it can't, then skip it. I'll ask it, or skip it not free, because Lovable offers Superbase at free and as free. So I will just click on this and see Hercules will build something for me. In the meantime, I have to check what happened there. Some problem is there. Okay, so it built. Okay, again some network connection issue from my side, I think. Yeah, I have to fix it again. Okay, let's fix it again. So it was my mistake. Network connection issue is there, so again due to that problem it is unable to show us, but I can see the details, I think, if I try. So this is the details, and if I click on preview, you can switch back to the preview, and I think it will be live soon after my net gets connected back. It will be live soon. Yeah, it connected back, and we can see the live preview soon, and it will be boomed very rapidly. So it will also start building the application for us. It is already starting the live preview, and I hope you can see it very soon again. So in the meantime, I do that. I'll be going back. Yeah. So you can see it was setting up the development server and building this as per it is being programmed. So it is using convex instead of Superbase. Okay, and what it is using you can see very easily. Okay, so I kept it a prompt. After that, it uses convex. After that, Hercules authentication. After that, it integrated the features, and it already built something for us, I think. But it is building actually. Actually, it is building. It is creating the JSON files, the TypeScript files, and also the log files, I hope. And in the meantime, I can check the Lovable, I think. I'm refreshing it for ease. And see, we can see this is the basic application, but it is not so good. It is basics. Okay, the where there is pain, so it is showing. Okay, and it included by default, and we can add as per we want. So I'm making it full screen. Okay, if I can. No, am seeing not full screen is happening here. So I have to select a body region. Suppose I have pain in the region number 11. Severe pain is there, region number 11. So see, it is asking us. So what pain is there? So I'll mark it at mild pain. Okay. After that, I will add some note. Mild pain after inclined push-ups. That really occurs. Okay. So I'll add. in my case, incline push-ups and more pain if done more than 40. So I will just increase the intensity to 3. It is better. After that, we can save the record. Okay, and see, it is saved by default. Okay, so last one, and these all were there by default. We can ignore those because we will know that we never added those. Okay, and I hope some button were there to delete this. If possible, I have to add those. Delete some record if I want. Okay, so I'll ask it. Okay, just ask it to make one more edit if it can. Real time sync, heat map, gray details. So it made a basic front-end website for me. Instead of a calculator, it is a much better application. I will again ask it, please add a delete button to delete records, selected records. Okay, delete selected records. So if user want some to delete some selected record, he can do that. Okay, and no, I'm not adding any feature extra because it will run out of credits otherwise. So let's see if it can add a delete button. In the meantime, I'll go back to Hercules and see that what it did. It created all the files. Okay, some slowdown is occurring because I think it's consuming more memory. Yeah, it has created. Yeah, it had already created for us, and it is much better. I think it's much more powerful Hercules. Okay, so let's see what it did for us. I clicked on sign in, and after that, I think it is building, right? Oh, it's quite impressive. And after I can continue with my Google account. Oh, that's really impressive. I'm impressed. So it's really, really, really amazing. It's much better than Lovable. So I'm comparing it with Lovable. You can get the multi credits and build 3 to 4 websites each and every month. Okay, and see after that we are logging in. Oh, it's a crazy or superb AI. After that, you can log us in down, you can do everything. Okay, let's see. So we'll start this. Body map loading in next milestone. Okay, analytics. So it is not being built or what? View all milestones. So I think it is creating. Yeah, it is creating. Yeah. It is being created now. So it will take some time. Okay. Body map diagnostic interface is being created. See, it is already created. Okay, I think it is revising it or recreating it so that it can create better. See, it is much better than Lovable because it is helping us to track the joints like shoulder joint, and if some pain in the arm region means from shoulder to up to wrist region. See, so abdominal region if pain is there, if hip region pain, then you can track it. It is much better and much more advanced than those that created with Lovable. It's a superb AI actually, and I'm impressed quite after trying that. And after head we can see, so it is a neck region, it is a knee region actually. After that, left ankle region if you are having pain, or this. Okay, you can also update this application, right? And after that, analytics dashboard and history log. So I want to add a problem I am having in my left, what you can say, left arm I am having pain. Okay, help elbow. So I am just minimizing it to one scale low. I am typing here. Oh, some slow, but it will work. I am having pain. Oh, it is refreshing each and every time. Because it is building now, it has not been built. And if once it is built, we can publish it. In the analytics, you can see that it will show us. Okay, and we can change the mode of this website by toggling on light and dark mode. Okay, and again here below the knee region if pain is there, in the foot region if pain is there, you can tell. But I want it to add uh, some more like spine. Okay, chest region pain. Okay, no problem. That we can add by manually as per our needs. In lower region, you can select this or this also. But if ankle pain is there, na, it is above the feet of base, and this is the base of feet. If you are having pain in base of feet, okay, you select this. If you are having ankle, you can select this and this as per our requirement. I think it had built all we needed. Yeah, so it had built. Okay, so it had already built. Okay, and if you ask it to do for us much more, it can do. But I don't want to waste my tokens now, so I'll just straight forward click it on publish. Okay, so I will just write give the app the title like this, or you can tell it wait add app user manual user manual um, user manual menu user manual option user manual option, you can tell button user manual button to guide the user about working of this web app because it is not till complete. Okay, and also add developer name as Arians. Okay, or you can give my original name, that is Arpan Chaudhary. Okay, and I will give as my qualification latest one BTech CSE DCREC. That is I hope enough. Okay, so I told it to add developer name and also add the user manual button, and it will do that for us. In the meantime, I can check it. So see, already some problem occurred. So this app I am clicking try to fix. Okay, and after it fix, I will publish the app. If it is able to fix, and if it is not able, then nothing to do. Add per row, something features, delete, refetch after deletion. These are the suggested features that we can implement. Okay, after that, yeah, it now added all the features I told it. No, it is doing that. It is doing that. And after that, if I want to add one more feature to it, okay, I'll just ask include all the joints uh, pen marker 2 marker 2 and make the uh, body body structure appear like a skeleton of human. Okay, I will ask it to make the this like a skeleton, human skeleton, and for reference I will upload the image. So I will just select human skeleton images from internet and give it as reference so that it can build its own skeleton using its own system. Like I can give this, wait, I can give this, but it needs some time. I will find a better image in which a more detailed description will be there. Let's see. Yeah, it is very good. Actually, it is very good. Lumbaral vertebra, very nice. Scapula, manubrium, clavicle, thoracic, cervical, sacrum, very nice. So this image is very good for that. So I'll copy this and try to paste it if it is possible here. Yeah, it is happening. It is happening, and after it happens, so this is everything. So this is what I added, and it removed the things that was needed. And if you want to delete, you can delete. And if I add now in my legs, okay, I have pain. It is selecting both legs together. Okay, so I'll tell it that pain in knees and ankle after walking long for 30 minutes. 30 minutes plus. I'll just log this information and save the record. See, it has been distributed across two things. Okay, so you can just deploy it as a basic application. Okay, now I can publish it easily, and also you can sync that to GitHub using this button. So I'll continue. It is a public intermediate only this workspace. Selected members. Continue. Search is all. Yeah, social image, no social image. Now I'll just click on continue. After that, I will run the security check. Okay, it is provided by default, and it will run the security check. It is still creating the user manual model and the developer credit. Still, it's running. And if it takes time, I will continue showcasing this in the next episode. In the meantime, I will publish it. Okay, without a developer name. And after in the next episode, I will republish it. So some problem is there. So I'll try to fix the security issue. So try to fix all free. Okay, let's see what it can do. After that, I'll do again update a scan. Okay, and after that, I will just redeploy my application. Try redeploy. So these are taken the suggestion it is giving. Verify single React instance, centralized tooltip provider. Okay, so this is all, and I am just closing this because I don't need this. And I'm still waiting for Hercules. I think it will take much more time, so I'm just publishing it because I don't want to waste the time. So I'll just pin recorder, leave it. I'll give my YouTube channel name, Harians AI Tech Harians. Okay, AI Tech Harians. I'm giving this pen recorder. So I'll save this. I don't know why it is not working. It must work, right? Pen recorder, let's save it. A pen recorder. How do they publish? Because it is taking much time to do that. So we can add these features if we need. But now I don't need, so now I am bypassing it and giving I'll include the links to showcase. Okay. So the application is live. You can open this by clicking on the link and do whatever you want. Okay, so we'll click sign in again. And I'll continue this because I was ending previously. So see. So now I'll click here. Now I'm clicking left and I'm noticeable pen na, not distressing, noticeable distressing severe, not severe, but it's distressing for me. So I'll type that pain increasing in left elbow after 40 inclined push-ups. Inclined push-ups. These are testing phase, okay, man. Those are some slight testing. So I'll just log symptom. Okay, and now I see the analytics. Okay, now I'll enter another thing. My left, okay, leg, okay. Shin actually mental or left knee I can tell, left knee. So it is a severe pain. Pain increases while climbing down stairs to a lodge. So I'll log this symptom again. And now I'll see the analytics. So it will show me some trending. See, for last 7 days. Okay. And if you can track it every day and you can monitor it, it increases or decreases. So this is all in the application. This is the dashboard. But is a problem we have. Most affected left arm. Okay, because I think I had given both the same level. Okay, so I think it is being recorded. It is being recorded somehow. So the P7 severity level 7 and it is 6, but it is telling most affected left arm. So I think some problem is there till, but it had built the application for us. It has also calculated the average pen level by summing up two entries and dividing by 2. If I want to add one more, okay, this is not real, this is fake. In the right arm, if I'm having pain and I'm marking it a little pain after inclined push-ups. So what it marks? Because it's moderate pain, little pain. So I'll log the symptom. So now I'll see the dashboard. So again it is telling left arm. I'll refresh this. Okay, I'll refresh this and check. Yeah, it is telling the most of it is left arm, but it is wrong. We can compare from here and see. So this thing is being calculated wrongly. So for this reason, manual testing is required and manual fixation is required if or app is even built using AI. This is the importance of manual based testing. And there is a AI that tests the applications, but I don't know whether they are specialized in this or not. So this is all. Okay, so how much it increased in a 7 day trend? All is calculated only using the AI developed features. So with this I am ending this video and I hope everyone can understand what I did. And if any problem you guys face, you can comment on this video. I will try to help you all. Some add